Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. Can someone confirm me in the chat box that like you are able to hear me properly and you're able to see my screen? Can someone message me in the chat box? Okay, thanks for the confirmation. Let's start the session. Yes. So myself Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies admin team. So I'll just like before starting the session. Okay, before starting the session, this is our YouTube channel. Okay, Raj Informatica real-time hands-on job-based training. In our YouTube channel, there are many videos, many useful videos are available. Many useful videos are available here. If you can just go to the video section here. So on Azure Data Engineering, Data Analyst, Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning, Snowflake, Salesforce, SAP, Informatica, Informatica Cloud, Kids Coding, many other useful videos are available here. Okay. So if you just like visit our channel, if you like our content, you can give a like symbol and you can subscribe to our channel for the future videos and all. And there are like many useful videos are available here in our channel on interview preparation, resume preparation. Okay, just visit our channel once. We already have 35.6K subscribers and we have uploaded like more than 380 plus videos here. I'm just sharing this link with you. Subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Yes, I have shared the link with you. You can just like visit that link and you can subscribe to our channel. And we have our Instagram page as well. This is our Instagram page, Raj Informatica. So to get the job updates, I'm sorry. Yeah, to get the job updates, you can just visit our Instagram page. This is the Instagram user ID, Raj Informatica. So in Raj Informatica, like we have many job openings are available here. So like you can just like click on this job openings highlight and you can just like apply for those companies. And on daily basis, like we will be updating you on daily basis. We'll be updating you about like where the opportunities are available right now. Is there any referrals are available? So on all these things, so we will be helping you on these things. Okay, you can just like visit our Instagram handle Raj Informatica and follow our page for more updates. Yes, I have shared the like Instagram page link as well. You can use that and you can join. Need some internet connection. Yeah. Yeah. So this is our website. This is our website, razinformatica.com. Yeah. So this is our website, razinformatica.com. So like in our home page, if you can just scroll down, you can see like whatever the trainings that we are proceeding here. So you can check out all the trainings here. Okay. So we are offering artificial intelligence with machine learning, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Salesforce certification training, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, AWS and DevOps, GCP professional certification training, Python for kids, Python full stack development, Power BI, data analyst program, Python for AI and chat GPT, Tableau certification program. So these are the like other courses that we are offering here. If you can just scroll up, you can see the upcoming live sessions as well. Whatever the free sessions are available, whatever the free webinars are available, you can check out all the webinars here. So today there is a webinar on SAP S4 HANA and FICO. You can see here. Tomorrow again, like we have on 27th, artificial intelligence with machine learning at 8 p.m. So again, day after tomorrow, we have Snowflake. Again, we have Azure Databricks. Whatever the upcoming free live sessions are available. So all these links are available here. You can just click on the join now button. Okay. So you will be asked the basic details like your name, mobile number, and mail ID. You can just click on submit and you can get the link. Got it? So in this way, like we are offering all the upcoming free live sessions also. You can access it from here. Okay, in our website, apart from the courses, we have a many other information is also available. In the interview section, like we have uploaded like many interview questions are available here. Okay, and in the material section, like we have uploaded like many useful materials are also available here. Okay, so in the upcoming days, like we are about to launch the generative AI program, and we are also going to launch the different modules of SAP as well. Okay, so just keep browsing our website to get all the updated information. I'm just sharing the I'm just sharing the website link as well in the chat box. Okay, just I have shared you. I have shared you. Okay, yeah. So let's get into the course details now. Let's get into the course details now. Okay. So this training is just a minute. I'll just like zoom in a bit. Yeah. So this course name is SAP S4 HANA and FICO training. So this course duration is 2 months. Okay. So the course duration is 2 months, and like we'll be providing you a 60 to 70 plus hours of training. Okay, and the timings of this batch is morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. Okay, morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. So, like if you want to join for this course, the timings will be morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST, and each and every session will be recorded. Okay, we are going to record each and every session, and again, like we are going to we are going to provide you with material and the video as well. The new batch is starting from 30th of May. The new batch is starting from 30th of May. Today is the introduction session again. Okay. On 30th of May, we are going to start the new batch. For registrations, you can contact us on these two numbers, 810-529-6858 and 6361638. These two are our official WhatsApp numbers to contact us regarding the any information. Regarding any information, you can contact us here. Okay. Yes. The further details like a payment details and whatever the course includes, everything I'll just discuss you at the end of the program. At the end of this session, I'll just discuss you on these things. And there is some special offer available. Actually, the course price is 23,000 rupees. A special offer is available today. If you can just stay connected till end of the session, you are going to know about this special offer. And if you have any doubts also, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me at the end of the program. Okay. So without any delay, I'll just like hand over the session to our trainer Deepti Garu. Just will take a 30-second break. Just will take a 30-second break and share me your name and WhatsApp number. Share me your name and WhatsApp number so that we can share this session recording along with the material as well. Just share me your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box so that like we can share you all these things with you. Hello. Hi everyone. So I have received like a very few mobile numbers and names actually. So do you need more time to share your names and mail ID? Sorry, names and WhatsApp numbers? Do you need more time? I have received very few actually. So to get this session recording and to join our WhatsApp group, you can just share your name and WhatsApp number so that we can help you with all these details to join the WhatsApp group and to get today's session recording as well. Okay, so you can share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box. You can select to Raj Cloud Technologies and you can share with me. Yeah, Deepti garu, over to you. You can take over from here, please.
Yeah, thank you, Karthik. Yes, my voice is audible to everyone.
Yes, Deepti garu, it is audible.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so good evening all. Thank you for joining our session. Today we are going to present the SAP S4 HANA FICO course, what we are exactly going to cover and how the course will be very much beneficial to you and what are the topics usually we cover. So it will give you an overview or idea like what exactly SAP is. But before just starting that, I would like to introduce, my name is Dipti and we are doing this training since many years and SAP is very really a very good field to start it as a career. So it will give you a boost to your career and definitely it will be helpful to you. So first we will go through the presentation. Here I will uh, first of all show you like exactly what are the particular topics that we are going to work on. And once we complete our presentation, then might be whatever questions you have in your mind, we can try to answer them as much as we can. Okay, so I will share my screen. Uh, Karthik, can you stop sharing the screen or
Yes, it is already stopped.
1 minute? I'm actually not getting option. 1 minute. Huh? Now I got it. Okay. Okay, so this is the agenda for today's presentation. First, we will have introduction, what exactly SAP is. Then we will go into the details that what exactly SAP FICO functionality is and what we are going to cover. Then we have new feature which is like S4 HANA, which is a new feature of SAP which was introduced. And in the end, then we will have a question answer session. So first of all, what is SAP? SAP, first of all, is a company which is located in Germany. This company was started in the year 1972, 1st April. So now SAP has almost completed 50 years and SAP is getting used by many companies. We can say all over world, we can say 65% of the industries. They are now using SAP as their software. So this SAP basically stands for System, Application and Product in Data Processing. So this SAP basically is a software. Now what this exactly software do is, when we have a company, we have different departments in our company. So this software allows each and every department to use SAP as their own software. So then what is the difference between normal softwares and SAP? Let's go through it. SAP is called as ERP system. Now what is ERP? ERP actually is a system which ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So this ERP system, it allows you to use the same software in all the departments of your company. So this can be like, let's say I have a company which is working and my company is using different departments, right? So these departments are like, let's assume that we have purchase, sales, and finance department. Now, each and every department need to record their transactions, right? Whatever purchases they have done, they need to record it in purchase. Whatever sales we have done, we need to record it in sales. Whatever finances we are doing and whatever transactions we are doing related to accounting, we need to record them in finance or accounting department. Now, when we talk about these departments, each and every department actually need the system or software to record their transactions. So when we talk about a non-ERP system, then we can say that, let's say, purchase department is using different software, sales department is using some different software, and accounts department is using Tally. So Tally is also, we know that it is called as ERP, but it has some restriction. Like Tally, we cannot record each and every transaction related to purchase and sales. It is more focusing into accounting. So yes, we get accounting related information, but then when we have to check about the purchase or sales related information, we have to be dependent on purchase or sales department person. So particularly regarding this non-ERP system, it becomes more people dependent, and we have to get the reports. Then we have to cross verify it with our own whatever software you are using. Instead of that, if you use ERP system, it gives you the benefit that you can use the same software in all departments of a company. So as SAP is considered as one of the ERP system, so it gives you fully integrated business real-time system. So it enables you to process the end-to-end transactions, which means if you are starting to purchase something, starting from purchase related, whatever transaction you are recording, it will get recorded in SAP. Then whatever particular invoices you are raising, that will also get recorded in SAP. Whatever payment you are making to vendor, that payment will also get recorded in SAP. So all the departments, same applies to sales cycle. So whatever we are using, same software can be used as a full company, same software will be used. So this is the benefit of ERP system, and SAP S4 HANA is the latest version of this ERP, which is HANA as a database which SAP has introduced. Okay. Okay. Just a moment. Yeah. So in SAP, we have different departments. Like in a company, same way in SAP, we have different modules. So in SAP, we have these modules: finance for FI, that is accounts department. Sales and distribution is a different module. So different person will be working for sales, that is SD, sales department. Materials management, that is MM. Material management is usually related to procurement. Plant maintenance, PM. Production planning, PP module, which is actually handling each and everything related to shop floor activity or actual production. Human capital management or HR, HCM or HR is the module related to HR. Controlling is the module which is handled by costing department. Project system is reporting, and quality management is quality QM, quality rejections or quality you are accepting or not. That will be handled through QM. So you can see that these are nothing but the departments of a company, and for each and every department, SAP has got its own different module. So there will be different consultants working for all these modules together in a project. So you will have a team which is working for a client for a project, and all these together will be hand over to your client. So your client can use it for processing end-to-end transactions. So out of this, our focus is related to finance and controlling, which is related majorly with accounts and costing department. So in FI, these are the topics that we are going to cover. In financial accounting, that is FI, we will have a general ledger. First, we will start with org structure. Then we will have a general ledger. Then leading and non-leading ledger, which is usually required for reporting purpose. Then accounts receivable, which is related to customer. Accounts payable, which is related to vendors or suppliers. Then we will have a bank accounting. Then as bank accounting, which is related to your company's bank account that you hold. Then asset accounting is related to fixed assets of a company. Then taxes on sale purchase, and withholding tax is nothing but TDS that we have. So these are the topics which we usually have in accounts. So whatever software you are using, all these topics are required. So same topics we are going to cover in SAP, like how SAP, in SAP, how you are going to first try to understand the company's requirement, and then how you are going to design the system. Now, when we talk about the designing of a system, many people usually have a doubt, like, as this is a particular designing, or it need particular knowledge related to software, so do we need to have a background from programming? No. When we are talking about these functional modules, now finance, sales, or PP, all these modules, they need your functional knowledge. Now, what is functional knowledge? Functional knowledge is when you are going to work for finance department, you need to have a accounting knowledge. So usually we have a people who are from the background, who have done their graduation in finance, or masters in finance, or any particular job that you have done in accounts department. So this knowledge will be helpful for you to understand the accounting related processes. And what we are going to learn is how to apply that particular knowledge, how to understand the requirement from a client related to accounting, and how to design the system as per the requirement of a client. So it is definitely not required that you need to have any kind of programming background. So please clarify if you have any doubt in your mind that programming knowledge is not at all required. Yes, SAP got programming, but it is there in different module, which is called as ABAP. So anyone who is interested in learning the programming, they can learn ABAP module. So that will be purely technical and programming language. Not language, we can say, but it is related to SAP and programming. So you need a functional knowledge when you learn SAP. So like for salesperson who is going to learn, they must have, or usually knowledge related to sales. Who is going to work in purchase materials management will have a particularly purchase department related knowledge, or purchase related knowledge. Whoever is going to work in production planning, they usually need to have a experience related to production. So this is the particular functional experience or knowledge that you need, and then you apply that knowledge and you try to learn all these modules one by one. Of course, there is not a single person who is going to handle each and everything. You will have a team, you will have different consultants in your team who is going to work for different module, and this team together will work for a project, as I mentioned. Okay, so you need not have to worry about the programming. So these are the topics which we are going to learn in finance. Then we have organizational structure. When we start with the financial related project activity, so organization structure is your company. So whenever you can imagine, let's assume that there is a company called as Tata Motors. Okay, now Tata Motors, they are using different softwares in their company. So they are using non-ERP systems. Non-ERP means what? They are using different softwares in different departments. Okay, and now they are wishing to switch to SAP. Then what we need to do as a consultant, first of all, we need to understand their requirement, and then we have to design the system. That is what we are going to learn in this particular training. And when you try to understand the requirement, so you need to design system from scratch. That is, you need to define the name of company, the address, which financial year they are going to use, what are different documents that they are going to post. So based on this, how to manage the monthly postings. If you are from accounting background, you will be aware of that. We have to manage the monthly accounting related postings, right? So these particular things will give you the knowledge related to basic requirements. So this is how we start with the organizational structure, and this is how overall your financial accounting looks like, which will have a payable entry, receivable entry, bank entry. All these will be presented with your GLs or general ledgers. So GL, general ledger, being the main topic of accounting, we all know that GLs are nothing but whatever accounts we talk about, like purchase account, sales account, or telephone expenses, electricity expenses. Then we have income related to account, which are related to rent received, interest received, income side accounts, expenses side account. We have liability account like share capital, creditors. We have debt, asset side accounts like fixed asset, current asset, debtors, bank, cash, investment. So all these are called as GL accounts. So whatever balances we are showing at the final in the year end, we have to show them by using financial statements, which is nothing but your P&L and balance sheet. So these ledgers represent your balances in the end of the year, and which help you to prepare your financial statements. So this is how you can Try to consider this as a main module or main ledger, wherein all the postings which will be posted to each and every different GL account will be posted and will be finally helpful to you to prepare your financial statements. So this is how GLs are helpful, like from purchasing to vendors, that is purchasing GL will be maintained, vendor related creditors will be maintained, asset related fixed assets will be maintained, sales, customer, HR, whatever wages or salaries you are paying to your employees, each and everything will be recorded, and finally it will be represented through your GL. So GL is the first main topic that we consider. Then next we will have account receivable. Now, when we talk about account receivable is majorly related to customers. Now, when we talk about customers, so we can imagine that we are doing some sale to a customer. So what we do, we usually sell some material to customer, and then material, whatever quantity we have delivered, that much amount customer need to pay to us. So we call that as receipt. So usually account receivable is the module which we call it in FI, and we have to integrate it with SD, that is sales and distribution module, because when we talk about a material, we need to prepare the finished material, then we need to update the stock, right? Whatever you are going to sell, and then whatever you are going to sell will be actually updated in SD module, and respective entries will be posted into accounting automatically. Of course, when we say it as automatically, it have some configuration in the background which we need to do, and with that configuration it will help you to post the entry from SD to FI, and this will be called as material related entry. And with this we will also have a report which is called as customer analysis or aging analysis or individual customer balance. These reports you can check in account receivable. Now, when we talk about SD, it is related to material posting, that is finished material. But we have some sales which does not have a material. So those are called as non-material sales, which is like scrap sale you have done, and you have sold it with some amount of 10,000, and you wish to generate that invoice. So such invoices which are related to non-material, those you can post in account receivable or AR in finance, and then you can receive the payment. So payment entry will be posted in finance. Then non-material invoices can be generated in FI, but when it comes to material related invoices, that will be generated in SD, and then the respective accounting entries will be posted to FI. So these things or these parts of entries can be covered with FI and SD integration. That is also a part of our syllabus. So this is how integrated account receivable cycle looks like. So these are the activities which takes place in particular module. So sales department will have sales order. There will be no effect in accounting because it is just order. Then they will issue the goods or they will send the delivery of material. We will have respective entry of finished material stock gets reduced and cost of goods sold get updated. So that entry will be posted. Then we will have a billing document which is generated, and this respective entry of customer to sales will be posted into accounting automatically. And after that we can check the reports like what is customer balance, how much amount is pending, and then we will receive the payment from customer. So this is how integrated account receivable cycle related to SD looks like, and it get posted into SAP. Then next we have accounts payable. Accounts payable is exactly opposite of account receivable. Receivable is related to customers wherein we receive the amount. When we talk about accounts payable, the functionality of accounts payable or AP, accounts payable short form is AP. Accounts payable is related to vendor, wherein you will pay the amount to vendor when you purchase something. So usually it is helpful for recording all the transactions related to vendors or suppliers, and that can be handled independently in AP module. Now, when we talk about the material related entries, again, it will be handled in module. is purchase department related materials management module. So the material stock related entries and recordings will be done in module, and respective accounting entries will be posted automatically in the backend by doing the configuration of integration through FI and module. So these entry will be posted automatically with the configuration, and then respective payment entry we will need to pay the amount to vendor, that payment entry we have to post in finance. So we have different reports available related to vendors, such as vendor analysis, vendor balances, which can be possible for you to check. And this, when we talk about the non-material entry, like for example, I have purchased some stationery from vendor, and that particular stationery I wish to post entry for. So I wish to create invoice. Now, stationery doesn't need any kind of material code, right? So such type of entry, when we talk about the non-material entry, then such entries we are going to post in FI. So FI invoice will be generated with vendor, and then respective payment will also be posted in FI. So this is how accounts payable is handled, and this is how it looks like when it comes to integrated accounts payable cycle. So we will have a purchase department, which will generate purchase requisition. Then they will create purchase order. Respectively, there will be no accounting effect, because order is what we are just placing order confirmation with vendor. Then we receive the raw material from vendor, goods receipt. So then your stock of raw material will be increased, and that accounting entry will be posted automatically. And then you will have a vendor invoice which is generated, and at that time you will have an entry related to your purchases, and your liability will be generated with vendor as a amount to be paid, that is called as open item in SAP. So we will have a vendor or amount which is open, that is we have to pay that amount, and then we will be posting the payment entry in accounting, either through cash or check or bank transfer, that you can decide and pay accordingly. So this is how integrated account receivable and payable cycle looks like. Now after this we will have a next topic, which is called as bank accounting. Now, as we mentioned just now, that we have to pay the amount to vendor through check or bank transfer. So when you are paying it through cash, no problem. But if you have to pay it through check or through bank transfer, then of course we need to have a bank account, right? So this topic help you to handle the bank accounting properly through SAP, that whatever account you are holding, like your company have a bank account in HDFC. So you will have to create that account bank in SAP. Your account number will be mentioned, and then all these parameters of bank accounting will help you. In SAP, we can have different type of payment, like we can do the manual check payment. You can print check and give it to vendor. You can actually pay the amount to vendor by check. Then you can manually add that check to a payment document. You can do the bank transfer. We have one functionality called as accounts automatic payment program, which allows you to make the multiple vendor payments together. So this will allow you to pay the multiple vendors with different type of payments, like bank transfer or check, whatever you want. So these are the different topic wise or requirement wise features that we have to configure, and then it will help you as an transaction. You can do the multiple payments together. So these are the multiple facilities that are available with bank accounting, which we cover. So this is how we call it as house bank in SAP terminology. So we have to create your bank, then in bank house bank, that is name, then your bank account number will be updated, and respective GL account will be linked with your bank. Then the next topic which we will have in FI is asset accounting. Asset accounting allows you to maintain the transactions or postings related to fixed assets. Now, when we talk about a balance sheet, first it comes to our mind is asset side with fixed asset. So fixed assets are building, plant and machinery, vehicle, wherein you usually have a depreciation that need to be calculated, that is reduction in the value of asset. So that we need to record yearly. Then we have to deduct it from main asset, and we show it on P&L expenses side as depreciation as an expense. So that particular depreciation, the main value of asset, and the remaining balance which you show at the year end, that all these activities which are related to fixed assets are usually recorded in this asset accounting module. So this allows you to this include the asset value, which is cost of asset, then depreciation with different percentage. Then if you want to sell the asset, we have retirement, and you can get the detailed chart related to asset master data. Then assets life, usually each and every asset will have different asset life, so that you need to record, and different depreciation rates you need to maintain. Different depreciation methods are there which are available. So like straight line method, WDV method, or some other methods which are a combination to create depreciation are all available in SAP. So all these will be a part of this asset accounting, and we have various reports which are available in SAP related to asset, like Asset Explorer or Asset Account Balances. So this is how your system looks like. Look, this is how your asset accounting will look like. So you will have first asset classes, that is headings under which your assets are getting created, like building, vehicle, machines, plant and machinery, asset under construction, or fixed fixture and furniture and fixture. So individually each and every vehicle or machine or whatever assets you have, they need to be created as a asset master data, and with that asset master data you need to update the transaction, and it will get recorded in respective GL account, and with this GL you will represent them in your financial statements. So this is how your asset accounting overview will look like in SAP. So it will help you to process or post the transactions which are related to asset accounting. Okay, so these are the topics which we usually cover in finance. Apart from this, we have topics like taxes on sale purchase, wherein you will have a GST related to sales and purchase covered. Then withholding tax, that is TDS, is different topic. Apart from this, we will have a topic called as leading ledger, non-leading ledger, which help you to uh, prepare your financial statements and requirement as per different accounting principles such as GAAP, IFRS, or so document splitting is one of the activity or functionality which is available in SAP. So that those all we will cover in leading and non-leading ledger topic. But then this is related to finance. Same way we have FI and CO. Now when we talk about CO is considered as controlling. Now what is controlling? Controlling is costing department we have in our company. So this is the department which usually works internally. Their main aim is always like how they are going to uh, control the cost, or they are going to reduce the expenses. That is what their main aim is. So we usually call FI as external reporting, because we have to publish. If you have a limited company or big company, then you have to publish your financial statements, right? But when we talk about a particular costing related reports, it is helpful for your management to improve your company related profitability. So you will never find that your CO reports are getting published outside. So this is also called as management accounting or internal reporting that we manage with CO or controlling. So in controlling also we will have a organizational structure or enterprise structure. Then cost elements, that is your GLs, costs and cost elements are the GLs which we usually need to report in controlling. Those we create as cost elements. Then cost centers, profit centers, internal orders are different topics that we are going to cover in controlling. So this is the organizational structure. In we have in organizational structure we call it as a controlling area. Then whatever controlling area we have, it help us to post the transaction and decide the level of the reporting, to decide about cost and revenues, how they are going to get controlled. Okay, and it is more focusing on the internal reporting. Then we have cost, and this is how your organizational units and master data will look like in costing. Like you have operating concern, different controlling area, company codes are assigned. We have cost centers, profit centers, which help you to generate the reports. Then we have cost elements. Cost element help us to uh, cost element is nothing but, in simple terminology, we can say that these are GLs. But whatever GLs we have created, all GLs are not required to be presented in costing. Only those GLs which need a control of costing or cost you need to incur, whatever reporting you want, those GLs need to be created as a cost element. So those help you to uniquely identify the particular through our chart of account or list of GLs, whatever are relevant to cost, they will be referred to as your cost element, and they are used for entering costing related entry in accounting. So this accounting entry will be posted, and at the same time your costing entry will be posted in the backend. So this is what the role of cost element is. Then we will have cost centers. Cost centers are usually called as overhead management related reporting. So what is overhead management? Overheads are nothing but, we can say, expenses in FI that are those are called as overheads in controlling. So those overheads, when we talk about, so these cost centers main aim is to determine the cost of internal areas, and by period, by looking at those particular cost, we need to act accordingly, like how you will control those overheads, and then these are assigned to your reporting, so that you can get department wise report or location, whatever you want, you can create as cost center, and that reporting will help you. Then we have next, which are called as profit centers. So profit center is the organizational unit which help you to record the revenue related posting. So this will be helpful for you to uh, understand the profitability of your company, and cost center allows you to understand the overhead related control of your company. So these profit centers, cost centers, these are called as cost objects, which are used for reporting purpose. Now when we talk about the next one, it's called as internal order. Now what is internal order? Internal order is nothing but it is the object which is used to control the overheads. Now, when you are talking about overheads, it is again expenses. So we are already using cost center to control overheads. Then why we need internal order separately? Internal order help you to control the cost which is related to temporary jobs or short-term related projects. So for example, we can say if you are doing some production related activity of a car, we have taken example of Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, whatever car they are manufacturing, the regular one that customers are going to use, they get manufactured in bulk. But let's say they have different unit or department in the company which is specifically manufacturing sports car. So those sports car will be kind of make to order scenario. Make to order means you will never find that sports car are also getting manufactured in bulk like regular cars, because sports car have a specific design as per the client requirement. So let's say I have to manufacture 3 cars for my client. So for those 3 cars or 5 cars, whatever specific expenses or overheads are getting recorded, those we can record with the help of internal order, and once your order is over, you can settle it. Or let's say I have a company which is organizing a job fair for 3 days. So for those 3 days, what are the particular expenses that we have captured or we need to capture, that can be recorded with internal order. So difference between cost center and internal order is, when we talk about a cost center, it will be the continuous flow of your recordings or transactions that are ongoing related to your company, and internal order help you to record the transactions which are specifically related to your job, specific to particular number of days or particular time period. That is called as make to order or short term or specific to project related requirement that can be solved with internal orders. So these are overall topics that we are going to cover in FI and CO training. Apart from that, now we are talking about the S4 HANA. So what is this HANA or S4 now we are talking about is this new feature in S4 HANA. This HANA is nothing but the database that SAP has launched. Okay. So whatever SAP has launched as a database, earlier SAP used to have a different database and front end was SAP. So they have DB or Oracle as a database, but now they have launched their own database. So this database, now it is a technical one. Of course, when we talk about database, so technically whatever I'm trying to explain you, these are the features which are related to that database. So this help you to process the transaction with real-time analytics. So this real-time data empowers the business to make informed decisions quickly. So they can take the decisions quickly because this database help you to proceed with the real time. That is, whatever data you are processing, it doesn't take time to get posted or get saved. So this gives you help you to do the real time analytic. Faster processing, same way as it allows you to process the data real time, This is in-memory database allows you to significantly faster the data processing, whatever you are using. Modern user interface, we have different apps. Nowadays, you all know we work for a technology which is based on applications, apps. In mobile, we have different apps that we use to work. Earlier, SAP was not supporting any kind of app, but now they have Fiori, which is a different interface that they have learned, which is a kind of cloud technology, we can say, through which you can even try to access your applications from mobile or from particular web page like what we open. Same way these Fiori apps will get opened, and this is will be helpful for you to understand the reporting requirement, or it gives you analytical based applications which can show you different presentation. Earlier we need to prepare the presentations using pie diagram or bar graph like that, but now they are readily available in Fiori apps. So these are the features which earlier database was not supporting. Now HANA database supports for that. Then in FI related to transactions, we have different tables in which our data was getting stored earlier. So when we have to write some reports related to FI, it was getting taking more time because the reporting was based on different tables. But now we have a universal journal table called as ACDOCA, which offers us significant advantages, like it has all the fields usually which are related to finance in one single table. So to write any kind of report or requirement related to programming, this table help you to perform the reports. Performance wise, the report runs very fast. You get the data very quickly, and to write a report also becomes very easy because we have to refer one table, which was not the earlier case. Best practices in S4 HANA will allow you to read terminology, or it offers you to use the ready to use or pre-configured solution which help you to faster and easier for you to implement SAP. Now, when we talk about ready to use means what? They have given some basic standard scenarios which they have given as how exactly we can use them. So you can use those standard steps, and you can use them by copying them. So it becomes easy for to complete some project if you have to work for some client very fast. So, or you can refer if you don't want to copy them, but you can refer like what are business process requirements and requirements are, and how they are going to help us with these particular practices. So these are the new features which are available in SAP. So this is okay. I think my screen has stopped presenting. Yeah, sorry. One minute, huh? Somehow I don't know. I hope it's visible now. Yeah. So these are the features which we were talking about as a system. So this is how our course curriculum is designed, and this is what we are going to cover as a syllabus. Now I was about to show you, like, I think are you able to see SAP on my screen? Apart from PPT, can you able to see something?
No, Deepti.
1 minute, then I try to share it again. 1 minute. Is it visible now?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So this is what SAP server looks like. So this is the server wherein we are actually going to take you through each and every step. So here you can see in accounting, we have different topics in financial accounting, which we have discussed just now: general ledger account, receivable, accounts payable, bank, fixed asset. So these are the topic. This particular screen is called as end user screen, wherein the users for whom you are going to work, like for example, let's say Tata Motors we discussed. So Tata Motors already have a company, I mean, they already have accounts department since many years. So there are people who were working in accounts department and were using Tally as their software. Now after your implementation project of SAP, they will start using SAP as their system. So this is the screen wherein you will find that these are the people who actually do the postings with this document. So this is the entry, this is the screen where you can actually go and do the transactions related to your company related GL entry, GL postings that we usually go and opt for. Then here we will have another payable related invoices, whatever you wish to post. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so this is GL related setup. Then what we have: accounts payable, account receivable. This will allow you to post accounting entry related to customer, which we mentioned, account related customer related invoices, wherein you can able to post customer to sales entry, which is non-material entry. Then you can able to post the incoming payment from customer. So these are the screens which are called as end user screen. And we have another part where is called as customizing, that is implementation IMG screen. So this is where we will find all these modules names that I told you, right? Financial accounting, then sales and distribution, materials management. So all these modules, whatever we are talking about, they need to be basically done with the configuration. So these are the one which we usually use as a system. So here in the financial accounting, we will first do the enterprise structure setup, as I mentioned. So here we will go and do the setup related to company, business area, whatever basic enterprise structure we have. Then we have global settings, wherein you will be able to actually design the fiscal year, that is your company's financial year. Then monthly posting period, how to manage. After this, you will actually need to configure the GLs. So these all are the topics that we discussed just now. One by one, we need to design them in SAP, configure them in SAP, and then it will be helpful for you to go and actually understand the requirement from a client, and then we do the particular setup of configuration, and then we also learn how to proceed with the end user transactions. So we cover both configuration as well as end user transaction. So now when we talk about this one, we consider a real time project. Like we are actually as imagining that we are going to work for a client. So we actually show you with the full end to end cycle of a company. Like we consider one company and we show you, like for this company, how each and every parameter you need to consider and how to configure them, and then how to do the testing, how to give, you have to give the training to users also. So whatever configuration you have done, whether it is correct or not, how you will come to know? By posting the entry, right? By checking the report. So for each and every topic, we are going to cover all these details, all these reports, transactions, configuration in detail. So it will give you idea of one end-to-end real-time project. How it is going to work like. So this is how your screen of SAP looks like, and this is where we are actually going to do the training on. So these are called as SAP servers. Okay. So this is how overall SAP is about. So now you are free to ask your questions.
Yeah, now everyone have the chance to unmute yourself and you can ask the questions, please.
Also, meanwhile, when others are asking question, you can drop us your WhatsApp numbers, name, so we can share this recording with you. So whatever clarifications you want, you can get it get it solved through again going through recording whatever doubts you have, if any. So please, yeah,
Hello. Hello. Good evening, madam.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
actually, I don't have any experience in accounts and individuals and SAP. So I'm a
Okay.
fresher. So my qualification MBA in 2012 completed. After that, I am doing banking jobs, banking sector. So we'll get the job in SAP consultant.
Yeah, you can learn finance and then you will be able to get your job in SAP, no problem.
But I don't have any experience in relevant like that consultant side.
No. That first you're going to learn it now, right? So after learning this, then whatever experience you have already, whatever work you have done, that experience you can try to, show it, which is more specific, like to SAP as a background. Then you have done the training. So it gives you proper continued channel to get the job, and then you can get a job. I mean, to learn this, you don't need any kind of such type of background. After going through all these also, you will be able to work in SAP as a consultant.
I understand, man. What I'm saying, I don't have a relevant experience in this finance. I mean, like
Yeah,
that
I understand. You are
SAP
saying that
tally
your
account.
experience is
I'm
into banking
purely
sector, right?
coming from sales. I'm pure coming from sales.
Sales you're coming from, and you have worked in
Yeah.
banking.
Yes. Banking, retailing, like
Okay, then
loans department.
okay. Then if
I'm
you are
saying loans department.
yeah, if you are interested in learning finance, then you need to little bit work more into you have to understand accounting first little bit, and then it will be helpful for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
But otherwise, you'll take a fake experience.
No,
Hello.
experience that depends upon how requirement will be there.
Srinivas, like you can just drop your mobile number in the chat box. I'll be connecting you personally one to one, and I'll take more details on your profile, and I can help you with like how to take the fake experience. Like, is it necessary for you? Okay, I'll just guide you on all the things with you. No need to worry. You can just like drop your
Okay.
WhatsApp number in the chat box, please.
Yeah, I have sent already my mobile name
Great,
and
Srinivas.
mobile number also.
Yes. Okay, great.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Dipti. Surya this side.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. My role is like a architect here, enterprise architect. The thing here is that SAP is getting included everywhere because of that. SAP is acquired the Informatica, correct?
Yeah.
Yep. The thing here is that, so what level of involvement over there with the Informatica and SAP over there to learn here? Actually, I'm having some experience in ABAP as well as the HANA.
Okay.
So by learning this, so can I grow up in my role in the enterprise architecture level?
Yeah, it will help you. Like you have proper programming background, as I am understanding, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So to learn, I mean, frankly speaking, to learn about finance, you
Yeah,
need
already I was there in the banking project. One of the banking project I
yeah,
know well versed with the Finacle.
well versed with
Finacle.
Finacle. Okay, you're
Yeah.
worked in Finacle. Okay. So
Yeah.
if you so this is you already worked in ABAP, so you have idea about the programming table, all I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
And
Few course, yes. Yeah.
have you worked in ECC earlier?
No. Actually, I moved into the data engineering side.
Okay. So this
Yeah.
ABAP, as you know that ABAP is helpful for I mean, all module. ABAP is not
Only
related.
report.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ABAP is not related only with one particular module, right? It need
Yeah.
SD, MM, FI.
Mm,
So this, if you are doing, as you have worked already in Finacle, and if you learn finance, SAP FICO module, then what
yeah.
more perspective you will get is you can work as a techno-functional consultants. Like
Yeah.
one person which will have two modules, like you can work for finance as well as you can work for programming. So they have different openings for techno-functional consultant. So which will
Yeah.
have a more scope as compared to you, and as you are saying, it will give you more growth for your
Mm,
career to understand.
mm,
And as you have worked already on Finacle, so I
mm,
am not saying that you know SAP. I know that you know programming from ABAP as a SAP, and you know the
mm,
accounting wise Finacle as a software. But when we
mm,
go through this particular training, we will let you know how to work your finance, how to apply your finance knowledge into SAP.
yeah.
So that will help you to work as techno-functional, and it will have more chances to, you know, get a more unique kind of project because they have
Yeah.
specific requirements, techno-functional, which is very
So
helpful for you.
yeah, whatever you're expecting, like a front end, right? Database side, I have worked for the HANA as well as the ETL side. I
Okay.
worked for the BODS,
Okay.
SAP BODS also.
Yeah.
The thing here is that my package is almost been like 26 now. So
Okay.
I'm trying to enhance my career in an on-site way. So
Okay.
as even only I'm getting an on-site offers if I know the SAP. So
Yeah.
I'm like a EA, enterprise architect.
Okay. Yeah, I
So
got it.
by incorporating that, I has to enhance whatever my skills over there. Like I'm working in a, I mean to say that Snowflake. I work for the Informatica. I work for so many people. So I want to work in a cross-functional way here.
Yeah, correct. That's what I was
Yes.
using terminology, techno-functional. Here, why I'm using techno-functional? When you talk about a cross-functional consultant, usually they are the one which are from the background of functional module, like one person who knows FI as well as SD as well as MM. So they are aware of different modules, but they are not aware of technical module, right? So they are
Yeah.
called as cross-functional consultants. And what you are saying is correct, that ABAP and FICO is also cross-functional, but that the more terminology suitable is techno-functional because you have technical knowledge as well as you have functional knowledge of one module.
Yeah.
So it gives you immense, you know, continuous growth and more demand in your project. And of course, as you mentioned, your package, it will give you best growth in your package as well if you work as a
Yes.
techno-functional consultant.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. I am Asha.
Yeah. Hi, Arsha.
Ma'am, can you please explain the fee structure?
Yeah, for that you can connect with Karthik or our team. So they will
Okay.
get back to you regarding the same.
Okay. Where's the number, ma'am? I will.
Yeah, it has been
hold on.
mentioned in chat box, and you can also drop your number so team can contact you for further
Yeah.
whatever fee structure and all the details are available. So there is a chat box wherein already our numbers have been displayed, but please try to send your number in the chat box so we can, you know, send the recording, and as well as we can give you more details regarding whatever your requirement in whatever information you require regarding that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hi,
Meanwhile,
ma'am.
we are discussing. Please try to share your WhatsApp numbers and names so we can give the more detailed information to you on your numbers.
Sorry, Ditpika, I am back actually. So if you have any doubts regarding the like fee structure, course duration, everything, I'll just give you the complete details within 2 minutes. Just stay connected here. Okay, if you have any technical questions, okay. So as you have completed the demo now, so if you have any technical questions, you can just like ask Deepika is here, so that like we'll resolve your all your technical questions. Once your technical questions are done, then we'll enter into the registration part, and there is some special offer is available today, as I said you. So even I'll explain you about the special offer and all as well.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. This is Satyavati Shankar here.
Yeah.
So
Hi.
I have 10 years of experience in accounts receivable profile as
Okay.
where I used SAP ECC as a tool for
Okay.
accounts receivables. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm into a role where every organization is shifting to HANA, right? So I'm
Yeah.
into the core team where stabilizing the process, helping how the process has to be designed for code testing and stuffs like that. So
Correct.
now you let me know which course in SAP that if I take will help me to switch the domain, but will also support my financial that I mean say financial background education plus experience, but moving to a HANA profile.
Yeah, this course itself, that's what we are going to learn. So this is the course which is S4 HANA Finance. So this will not only cover account receivable, it will give you the complete knowledge of, I mean, as you are already into ECC and receivable. So you know that when we talk about receivable, you are working from end user point of view, right? So end users are usually where you process actually with the customer related invoices, customer receipts, right? Dunning processes might be your So this
Yeah.
is one of the part of the SAP module of finance. Okay.
Mhm.
This course will give you end-to-end full idea. So what you can do is, till now you were working from end user point of view, and now this is a good chance, as your company is already moving from ECC to HANA. And if you do this course, your company itself can, accommodate you to a team which is actually working as a consultant, because you have a good knowledge of your already what you are working on as your current processes, right? So there, if you are doing this course, it will give you other side knowledge, right? What exactly as a consultant you need to do as a configuration. And of course we cover each and every topic related end user transactions as well. So this will actually give a boost to your career to work as a SAP consultant, SAP FICO consultant. Okay. And after completion of your current company's project, whatever you're working on, you can stay here for some time, gain the experience, and by showing that experience, you can switch your job next, whatever experience. So that will again give you a good increase in your package. Okay. So this will really a good chance. I will insist that please, then if you already have this much good knowledge as an SAP end user point of view, now please shift to SAP consulting role. So this will give a more job prospects, better future for you.
Okay, but the current role which I'm doing is not related to configuration. It's about process
Yeah, that's what I'm
stabilization.
saying. So what you will come to know, like for example, currently you are doing FB. I mean, can you let me know a little bit transactions that you are used? Have you used FB70?
No. So we do not use any transaction. Basically, this team is created to see how the cash application process can be moved from ECC system to HANA
No, no,
system.
no.
The
I'm asking
data.
about the previous experience. What actually you worked in ECC, right?
Yeah. So
What?
there basically we use FBL5 and F-32,
Okay, okay,
F-28.
okay. Okay, if there's 20. So you were more majorly into payment side. I got it. So
Yeah.
you were checking the reports related to customer, whatever amount they
Yeah.
are pending, then whatever incoming payment there you are receiving from customer, may it be a full payment, partial payment, right? So those transactions you are posting. Now you don't have knowledge regarding the configuration, I know, but if you learn this thing, then this course will help you to understand the other side, like how exactly you are doing F-28, but to do that transaction, what are the backend processes that are being working. That is what you will learn, and it will give you more better future. You can currently be in a team, whatever you are doing. So if you tell them that you have done this particular course, they will also come to know that yes, you now have both the knowledge, like you have end user knowledge and you also have a consulting knowledge. So this will help the team to, more focus on your knowledge related to this, and it will help you to work on current project till you are migrating to from ECC to HANA in your current company. And then you can start actually with the role which is called as SAP consultant. So which is more better role than what you are doing right now.
Okay. Ma'am, since I will only do the certification, I might not have an hands-on experience. Will that domain switch have any, uh, because I'll be a fresher in the configuration piece of it. Will
Yeah,
there
yeah.
be any?
Yeah, correct. You will be a fresher, but whatever experience you are doing currently, na, you can add that experience in your SAP profile, na, that I was a part of core team, and you can show that yes, my team, I have done this particular course, and then see, you might be working with some software company, right? As a core team, if you're working from your company side, you must have any other company like TCS, Infosys, or someone
Yes.
who is
Yeah.
working as a consultant. So you can tell that I was a part of that team as well, which you can show on your CV, and that will give you the detailed experience that yes, she was a part of core team as well as from consulting point of view also. Even though your current role does not say so, your current designation is same, but still you were a part of this particular we can say switch from ECC to HANA. So you are a part of that team, which will give you more boost, and that experience you can show, so you will not be considered as a fresher in consulting. Got it?
Okay.
And then
Okay.
you
Okay.
can get good package when you switch your job next time.
Okay. Sure.
Got it?
Thanks.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, hi ma'am.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. Actually, I have 3.5 years of experience in software testing. I don't know anything about SAP or finance. Did this course work for me? Means that I don't have any basic knowledge, and I
Yeah,
need to move.
Yeah. It will definitely, when whoever are from such background who don't have SAP related, finance related knowledge, still they can continue with the course. Only thing, when you work for this, we need to have a basic knowledge of finance. Like we have journal entry, ledger postings, under balance sheet, which what are the headings or what are the particular specific transactions that are getting posted. So when we actually go through these course, we try to cover the SAP related entry and all setup that I'm going to cover. But you need to more focus little bit about these 3-4 topics, and then you can understand SAP and this basic accounting as well. So till the time you are completing your course, you will come to know about this, and instead of testing, you can switch it to your career as some particular focused career you can start with instead of testing. It will give you
Yeah.
good boost to your career.
And with this course, I can manage like as a 4 years experience guy in SAP with this course. I mean that
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 much,
real
yeah.
time.
That you can manage. See, as earlier we mentioned, you can manage, but to manage that, you need to work that much seriously, that much efforts you have to take, and that much knowledge. See, you can imagine if you are there in with a 4 years experience as a field you're showing, then we need to gain that much knowledge, right? So you need to more work hard for this, but definitely if you work based on whatever we are going to cover, you try to practice it properly, you try to, then definitely you will be able to show it and will get able to get a good job.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, madam.
Yeah, hi.
Hello. Actually, I'm working as a freelancer in finance.
Okay.
So I mean, I previously worked 7 years back. After that, I became a freelancer. So if I switch to SAP S4 HANA Finance, uh, how is the career prospects and what package can I expect and what are the options? Can you please detail on that?
As a freelancer, what technology or what you are working, can you elaborate a little bit?
See, I use mostly Excel and Power BI is one analytical tool which I
Okay.
use. So those two I use. Otherwise, mails much.
Okay, and
Earlier,
what's your earlier experience in job?
I worked as an SAP end user,
In
both
which
in
module?
General Ledger.
GL, so finance, right?
Right.
Yeah, then no problem. What you can do is whatever you have worked earlier, that we can show as an experience. And as a freelancer, right? As you are freelancer, so you can work for different project, correct? That is what
Yeah.
freelancer means. So we
Right.
can show, see, you can go through the course, you can learn each and everything, try to
Okay.
show some experience of yours as of a freelancing as SAP, and then you can
Okay.
tell that now I was working as a freelancer, but now I wish to come to actually job. So that will give you a good chance to get a job. So we can manage
Okay.
your freelancing with doing, of course, you have to, as I mentioned earlier, everywhere. I mean, for everyone, whatever we are talking about is based on your knowledge, right?
Right.
Whatever you want to show and whatever you are expecting from yourself all depends upon how much practice and how much efforts you are putting in. So when you're going through training, try to learn each and everything in so detail that you can actually will be able to. I'm sure that after going through training, definitely you will understand each and everything. We are there to help you. We will be able to tell you regarding each and every concept in detail. We are going to we will be providing. Someone was asking question. Yes, we will be providing the server accesses to you, wherein
Okay.
the same server wherein I'm going to teach you, all will have those same accesses. So you also have to practice on those servers. But it depends,
Okay.
like how much practice in detail you are doing, that much are more chances are there that yes, you are going to understand each and every minute detail of the training, and then you can apply that knowledge as a freelancer, and then you will be able to get a good chance as a job. So
Okay.
freelancers can convert any time to job. That is not an issue. Okay.
Okay. Because many people, expect an experience. So that's where I was little confused.
Yeah, that's what I told you, na, that your freelancing experience you can manage with SAP experience. And then you can tell that I was having this freelancing and now I wish to
Okay.
switch to my job.
Okay.
This
Thank
is
you.
how you
We
can
have a
manage. You need to work
Oh,
hard for that little.
sure.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi. Yes.
hi, ma'am.
Hi. This is hello.
Yeah. One. Yeah. Tell me.
Hi. This is Saidi here.
Yeah.
I have completed my BSc IT and MBA in HR, and also I have done my training in SAP HCM module.
Okay.
Prior, I have experienced 8 years of experience, but it was in startup company. So I stuck in the financially I stuck. So I have idea to do the SAP HCM. So prior in my prior company, I was doing the payroll as a job as a payroll associate. So I have good experience in a payroll, but now I want to switch in a payroll SAP payroll. So PICO is a beneficial for me.
No, payroll is not a part of SAP FICO curriculum. You already have done SAP HCM consulting training, I mean configuration
Yes,
and all.
yes.
So it is part of SCM training then, not FICO. FICO,
Okay.
yes, FICO and HR are interlinked. I mean, they have little bit integration like how in HCM module, let's say you have 50 employees, then you will have 50 employees with different employee master data. Then whatever
Mhm.
package they have, that will be recorded. And then as you are mentioning specifically about payroll, so I'm giving this example. So this payroll, whatever you are handling, will have detailed breakup will be maintained in HCM module. But when you actually pay the amount, then it comes to finance, right? So we consider
Okay.
those
Yes.
employees, and for each and every employee, whatever amount we have been giving as a salary, and if they have any deduction,
Mhm.
then those entries will be posted in finance. But whatever you are asking is specifically there in HCM module itself.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So you need to,
Okay.
if you have already done the training for HCM, then
Mhm.
try to more focus on that HCM part, and then you will get payroll related setup and experience. Yeah. I mean, instead
Okay.
of going for another one, whatever you have already learned, this itself
Mhm.
contains the payroll related setup.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
hi,
you.
ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Rajesh.
Hi, Rajesh. Yeah, tell me.
Actually, ma'am, I want to know about the how to get the technical functions by the SAP FICO training.
Technical?
Technical consultant.
Technical consultant, you will not be by doing FICO. You wish to come to functional side, then FICO. If you wish to go to technical part, then you have to learn ABAP or basis. So what, may I know your background, please? So might be I will be able to help you.
I have good knowledge in FICO, ABAP also, but I want to get as a technical consultant because some part have a enhancement in the SAP, so FICO related topics. So
Mhm.
I want to expertise in this
But you
related.
already know, have the knowledge of FICO module?
Yeah, I have a get 2 time, 3 time trainings, but I haven't completed this. So I want to get, I want to be as a technical consultant.
Okay. So, technical consultant, if you wish to be, then you have to focus more on ABAP. But as you are saying that you have already know ABAP, then FICO training will help you. If you go through this training, it will help you to understand finance point of view. Okay. And whatever enhancements and topics you're talking about, if it will give you detailed idea about the finance. But if you wish to go to technical, then you have to more focus on ABAP. So if you're already working in SAP,
I have worked
you have worked in ABAP module, you have worked?
above.
Yeah, then
I have worked on LES ALE.
ALEs. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, data dictionary, the right.
Okay, okay. So then if you wish to continue with the ABAP one, then as you mentioned that you have already taken the training, then you first try to apply that knowledge into ABAP, because this will again, I mean, of course, as you mentioned that you have not completed the training related to finance, but if you complete this training by joining our training, Of course, it will help you to understand it from finance point of view, but this is functional training. Okay, so if you wish to learn functional and then need to work more, I mean, see, every ABAP also has need to work with each and every module like SDMM. So we have few which are generic, that is they work for all module, but we have specific like ABAP and FICO they want to use specifically. Then it is helpful for you to understand, this particular what we can say, this particular module, and then your ABAP knowledge will give you the good prospects to work as techno-functional consultant. But if you are not interested in finance, but you are more interested into ABAP, then go for ABAP one, not for
No, ma'am.
finance.
Actually, in the web programming, they should be required the technical skills and database name, as well as enhancement
Yeah,
process.
that's what I'm saying. Whatever topics you are mentioning, they are related to ABAP, not related to finance.
So, at FICO, FICO, that will not help.
No, it will not help means, see, you can, let's say you have ABAP require, ABAP is what the module help you to develop the programs, right? The standard
Yeah.
SAP programs which are already there, but they are not suitable for the client only. I mean, only those one. So we specifically develop the report through ABAP for based on whatever client requirement is. Okay. Now, when you are working as an ABAP consultant, FI will help you to tell what exactly their functional requirement is, and you have to design program actually whatever you are working.
Right.
You have to write the program, you have to
Yeah.
design the selection screen, you have to call the database, then you have to actually write a query that within from this table it will pick up the data, then you have to pass that much common key factors to another table, then pick up the data, and this is how your program will fetch the data and will generate the report and show on the screen. This is what ABAP do. Now, for this, the finance training will help you to more understand the requirement from financial background. Okay, that definitely will be there. But if you wish to more, as per my understanding, your requirement is more to work into ABAP as a technical one. Then whatever terminologies you are using now and enhancement and all, that
Yeah.
advanced technologies you need to learn through ABAP module.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Then you will get technical one more. This is finance is the functional module. Okay.
Guys,
Hi,
sorry to
ma'am.
interrupt you.
Yeah.
Hi,
Vishnu,
ma'am.
like you have any technical question?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead, Vishnu. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. I am Vishnu.
Yeah, Vishnu.
I am working in Tally. Can I get the job in SAP?
Yeah, first you have to complete the training and then you can try for the job. Because
Yeah,
Tally is
okay.
also one of the software, right? So it gives you accounting
Yes.
background. Now what we are going to
Yes,
learn
yes.
is how exactly we are going to learn or design each and everything in SAP, and then definitely it will be helpful to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
Ma'am, Asha again, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Because
Yeah,
I'm an MBA graduate, my background in HR and finance. So,
yes.
which is better, ma'am? SAP FICO or SuccessFactors is better in current market?
Yeah, FICO has got more demand in market because FICO is associated with each and every module. Sales, finance, sales, purchase, whatever, I mean, production, whatever you do, everything comes to finance. So compared to others, FICO is in more demand. So if you have background from finance, then better you go for a FICO training.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Guys, sorry to interrupt you. Let me complete the registration part as the people are dropping here. I just need to confirm these. I hope you have cleared all your technical questions. So let me take a 2 to 3 minutes to explain about the offer, about the registration process and all. Okay. So as I said, this is our website. In the courses section, you can opt for the SAP training here. Okay, you can just click on the SAP training. Then you will be in the SAP training. Okay, you will be in the SAP training page. So where you can see the complete course details. The batch is starting from 30th May. Okay, and sorry, my internet is a bit slow. If you can just scroll down, what are the technologies taught here? What is the course unique features? What is the course curriculum? Everything you can see here. Okay, and the course duration is 2 months, and the fee will be 23,000 rupees. And the live session timings are like morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST, daily 90-minute session. Okay, 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST, daily 90-minute session. Okay, So here you can just click on pay and enroll. Here you can just click on pay and enroll. Okay, so you can see here there is a 15% card discount is available. Okay, so 15% card discount is available. This is the special offer actually. So after discount, your course price will become 19,550 rupees. Okay, 19,550 rupees. You can opt like any of the payment mode. We have two servers. One is like a Razor Pay, one is cash free payments. Okay, you can opt for any of the payment mode, and you can just click on this, and you can just click on pay and enroll now. Okay, all the payment details are available. Sorry, all the payment modes are available. Okay, you can just like fill your details, and you can click on pay and enroll now. Okay, so here you can find out all the payment options. Even if you want to go for the EMI, everything is available here. I'm sorry, like my net is like bit slow, so it is taking time. Just wait for a moment. Okay, and we accept all the UPI payments as well. Okay, so you can just check out here, pay by UPI, card, wallet, net banking, EMI. So everything is available here. Or you want to pay through a QR code, you can just click on tap to generate QR. You can get your QR as well here. So all the payment modes are available with us. Got it? And just coming to this. Just coming to this part. Okay, so we are going to cover the complete SAP S4 HANA and FICO training from basics to advanced concepts. And as I said you, these 15% offer will be available for only first 15 students. As I have already received the 6 payments till now. Okay, so there are only 9 payments are left. Nine slots are left for this 15% discount. Once we reach the 15 people, okay, we will be closing this offer, and again your fee will be 23,000 rupees. If you want to initiate your registration, you can pay a small amount of registration fee today, like 10,000 rupees, and you can join for the today's training. That means like you can complete your registration part today, and remaining amount you can pay by like in a week. Okay, so from now you can take a week and you can pay. Okay, on 30th of May we are starting a new batch. Okay, and we are going to provide each and every live session for you. All the live session recording will be provided to you. No need to worry about that. For registrations, you can take a screenshot or you can note it down. The numbers 810-529-6858 and 6361638. These two are our WhatsApp numbers. You can just contact on this WhatsApp number and you can go for the payments. And you can go for the payments. I'm just like sharing the registered numbers as well. I'm just sharing these registration numbers as well. Okay. So if you want to go for the payment right away, you can use this UPI payment details and I'll be waiting for you in the chat box. Once the payment is done, you can just share the screenshot to me on these WhatsApp numbers 810-529-6858 or 6361638-108. Okay. The offer is available now. The offer is available now. Once we reach the 15 candidates, we will be closing the offer. Only 9 spots are left. So the spots are filling fast. So you try to complete your registration today. Okay, if you want to go to the partial payment, you can pay using the numbers which I have given to you. Or if you want to go for the full payment, as I said you can just go to the website and you can make the payment as well. Both the payment modes are accepted. In the website, you can get like many payment modes like UPI, card, wallets, net banking, EMI. Okay, so many things are available. Okay, many things are available. Okay, even you can see the wallets like Free Charge, MobiKwik, Ola Money, Reliance Jio Money, Airtel Money, Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, everything is available. Okay, everything is available with us. Got it? So as the offer is limited time, just try to grab the opportunity as early as possible. Okay, so these are the like top 10 shortlistings I can say. Okay, so the course includes here. You can check out on my screen, please. You can check out on my screen, and you will be getting the like server access as well. Okay, you will be getting the server access for 2 to 3 months. Okay, see generally like how these server people will charge is they'll charge 1,000 rupees per month. Okay, to get a 3 months access, to get 3 months access, you need to pay additional 3,000 rupees generally. But here we are offering in the course price itself. Okay. As you can see, the course price is 23,000 rupees. As you can see, the course price is 23,000 rupees. Okay. If you can enroll today, you are going to pay only 19,550 rupees and you are going to save this 3,500 rupees. Okay. Even you can get the complete server access for free of cost. Okay. You will be getting the server access for free of cost. Got it? So hope everyone got your details and let me know. Yes, I have received 2 text messages. Yes, payment is done. Yeah, thank you so much for the payment. So we have filled 8 slots now. We have filled 8 slots now. Okay. So there are
Hello.
only 7 slots are left. If you have any
Hello.
doubts regarding the registration part, you can ask me, please. You can unmute yourself and you can ask me, please.
Hello, Karthik.
Yes, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, I am Asha. I have a doubt. What kind of certificate are you providing? It is global certificate or not?
See, global certificate, you need to take an exam for that. You need to apply in the official website, and you need to see there will be some part of fee will be there. So Deepika, can you please take over the question?
Yes. Actually, Harsha, this is SAP certification is totally different. It is kind of that you are appearing for the university exam, right? So you are joining classes for understanding and training. But when you actually appear for the exam, you have to appear for a university exam. Same way here, when we talk about SAP has got its own website to apply for the certification exam. So there over there, this is a training, and you have to separately register for those exams on your own for registration, and those are the fees which you need to pay to SAP. So we don't have any kind of fees that we are taking from you for any kind of exam related registrations, and that global certification is valid throughout your career. Okay, so that is related with that is available on SAP's websites.
So to clear that exam, you need knowledge, right? So that knowledge
Yes.
you are going to gain here.
Yeah, here, and we are going to prepare you for that, definitely.
Okay.
And if you need any assistance as well, like how to apply for that, if you are new to the process, still we can help you for that as well.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I am Arvind here.
Yeah,
Ma'am, actually, I would ask you a question to you as well as to Karthik also. So, first question is to you, ma'am. Actually, my background is I'm working as a currently PM consultant, SAP, for the last 2.5 years. But before I was in my domain, I was a maintenance engineer from a mechanical background.
Okay.
So, is there any point if I am for this SAP FICO will enhance my career for, because I have a lot of some integration part also coming with this. But if I want to, is it any, if I learn FICO, how it will be enhancing my further career?
Yes, as you are already aware of one module from SAP, so you know we have configuration and user transaction part. So definitely, if you learn SAP FICO, it will be helpful. Like you will be able to work for 2 modules, because usually I know, because PM is a very, PM module is not required everywhere, right?
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
like
so it is specifically related to plant maintenance. So whenever they have a requirement related to PM for a specific one, so what you can do, you can go through FICO training. You will be able to get more, because FICO, I'm not saying other modules are not there. Definitely, each and every module has its own specifications and own
okay.
qualities. So PM is also a module which I know it is very good module, but I'm saying it from company point of view that yes, every company doesn't need a PM module, but every company needs finance. Why? Because it is a basic module, right? Finance,
Yes.
SDMM, because without purchase, sale and finance, no company can
Yeah.
work. So these are the
Okay.
usual modules which are called as base modules. So any company which is going with limited SAP modules, still they need these 3 modules. That's why I'm insisting on finance. So what you can do, if you learn finance, you will get more projects or more chance to work on a project. And then, as I mentioned before, sometime to someone, I don't know, remember to whom, but you can work as cross-functional module in this way. Like we are not techno-functional. Your cross-functional is what? You have knowledge about more SAP modules. Okay. So wherever you are getting a chance to work for PM, you can work for PM as well as FI consultant. So then it will give you more see, these are unique requirements. Usually we go for one module, but if you have a knowledge of two modules, it gives you more chance to work as a company. They look at you that yes, this person know more modules. So you get a good chance to work as a unique person of cross-functional and to work on different module projects.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So also if because I told you my background is a mechanical engineering. I don't have any from like a taxation or like any like accountants, nothing. So if once I done this course and if I go to if I apply for any opening job, so that time they will check if I don't have any domain experience. That will be a drawback for me. If it is like.
No, you can tell now that I
If like
was working as PM consultant. So whatever real experience you have, you can show that. And then you can tell that I have done FICO training. And so you will not be considered as fresher in SAP. Got it? You
yes,
already
madam.
have SAP
And
experience. So you will be,
yes.
or when it comes to FICO project, there you will be considered. But whenever they are looking at you as an SAP experience, you will have an experience already. And now you wish to switch your career to FICO. So those FICO project, whenever you get, might be for first 1 or 2 project, you will get associate role, right? Means the consultant who works with senior. And once you get that much of knowledge with 1 or 2 project, you will get good chance to work as senior consultant. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So after this, you will be set as global certification. If we want to attend it, you will provide along with this. You will provide assistance for the certification preparation exam.
Yeah,
You
that
give
we
any
are going to
assistance along
cover.
with this
Yeah. Whatever we are going to
covering this
learn,
one.
right? Whatever we are going through training, that itself is what you have to actually appear for the exams. And we will let you know that we can give you some sample questions as well, right? How you can prepare those sample questions, whatever we are available with you, we can provide you. You can go through those questions, and with those questions and your knowledge, it will help you to clarify or clear the exam.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. That's my question. And I want to have a question to Karthik. Mr. Karthik, are you hearing?
Yes,
Mr. Karthik.
I'm available. Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
Karthik. Actually, this timing you told is at 7 in IST 7 a.m. to I think from 90 minutes.
8:30 a.m. Correct. Yeah.
8:30. Actually, that is. You have any other timing? Same this for like
So
like
which time
any
you are
other time?
looking for?
Actually, no. My timing. I'm in the. My timing is 4.5 hours difference is there where I am here now, and my
So
timing
4.5
is
hours ahead or like behind?
ahead, behind. So.
Behind 4.5 hours. Okay, it will be like uh so 3 o'clock for you, 3 to 4 o'clock for you.
Yes.
No issues. Like we'll connect,
So
we'll connect one to one, and we'll try to resolve your issue as well. No issues. You can just drop your number.
okay,
I'll
fine.
connect with you
Okay,
personally.
fine. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
So I have a question from Ramesh actually. It is a request actually. In case if we don't understand at some point, so will Deepti explain in Telugu? So Ramesh actually like she is not from a Telugu states. Okay. So and the thing is, as you can understand about this demo as well. So she's speaking a very like a very simple English. So each and every student can understand this. If you have anything that you don't understand in the sessions, you can connect one to one and you can clear your doubts. Not a problem. Okay.
Can
No,
you please
sorry,
Yes.
tell me?
sorry, ma'am. I missed one more question. I'm sorry to.
Go ahead, please.
Madam, are you
Yeah.
covering this entire configuration, end to end, like end to end configuration part in this syllabus, this curriculum?
Yes. Consulting
Oh,
training and yeah. We are going to cover each and every configuration.
okay.
And
And
as
even the
well as end
integration
user
parts
part.
with okay, and also the integration with the various modules. You said that it is integrated with the various modules like
Yeah, we have in finance, we have integration of, in finance,
where
we have integration with FI and SD module, sales, and FI and MM module. So that
so you
also
will
we are
be
going to
providing.
cover.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please tell me about the placements?
So yeah, I'm here for the placements and everything. Okay. So from our end, so we have already like 8,000 plus people community from Raj Cloud Technologies, like what we built from last 4 years. Okay. By this May 16th, like we crossed 4 years actually. Okay. So in these 4 years, like we placed like more than 8,000 plus people, and in our community, there are 8,000 plus people are available right now. So these are like previous students of Raj Cloud Technologies. So if there is any requirement in their company, for sure they'll be reaching out to us, because on current trending technologies, like we are providing the trainings here. So they'll get the referrals easily here. That is the reason why these people will be sharing with us. And see, I am confirming you very, very clearly that so we have a very good opportunities right now in the market. First of all, you no need to look for any kind of referrals or any kind of so other things here. Okay. So we have a very good opportunities first of all. Even though like if we have a better opportunities, again we are just to boost these opportunities, we are also offering these referrals as well. Okay, so that it will help you to get the opportunities bit early. And we will guide you from the complete basics. Okay, like even if you don't know like how to answer, tell me about yourself question. Okay, even if you don't know like how to convert your current experience to the relevant experience, on each and everything we are going to guide you here, so no need to worry about that. So any questions from anyone yet? Yeah, Lakshmi Narayana, like you are trying to speak something.
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా నేను డిగ్రీ బీఎస్సీ సార్.
ఓకే.
నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఒక కంపెనీలో ప్రైవేట్ కంపెనీలో పనిచేస్తున్నాను. నాది ఎంఎం మోడల్ సార్.
ఓకే.
అయితే ఎంఎంకి దీనికి పిఎం మోడల్ ఎంఎం మోడల్ రెండు మా కంపెనీలో ఉంది. అయితే నేను ఈ ఫికో నేర్చుకుంటే ఏమైనా యూజ్ ఉంటుందా సార్?
యా డెఫినెట్లీ లైక్ Lakshmi Narayana గారు, లైక్ ఐల్ జస్ట్ కనెక్ట్ టు యూ పర్సనలీ. నేను మీకు పర్సనల్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతాను. నాకు ఒక్కసారి లైక్ మీ నెంబర్ డ్రాప్ చేయండి. ఐల్ జస్ట్ గివ్ ఎ కాల్ రైట్
ఆల్రెడీ.
ఓకే,
చేశాను.
గ్రేట్. ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవన్ ప్లీజ్?
ఓకే.
So I hope like all your questions are cleared already, right? If you have any questions, like you can just like text me in the chat box at least. You can text me in the chat box at least. Okay, I see like no questions are here. Okay, done then. Thank you all. Thank you for joining session today.
Thank you all.